Okay, in this video I want to talk about what is React exactly. Well, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it's maintained by the team at Facebook. Now, unlike competing libraries and frameworks like Angular and Vue, React is unopinionated. What do I exactly mean by that? Well, both Angular and Vue are frameworks with built-in functionality. For example, they have built-in functionality for manipulating state, routing, and networking, and things like that. However, this is not the case with React, as it is a minimal library and not a full framework. So React does not force the developer to use any inbuilt tools, mainly because there aren't any, since it only provides the very bare minimum functionality to create user interfaces, and so it's very lightweight. If we need to add any functionality, like state management, routing or authentication, etc., we are then free to choose from the many solutions which are made available by the React community. So what can we actually build with React? Well, React can not only build websites, but we can also build mobile apps and desktop apps. Now, this course is actually going to concentrate just on building websites. But once you've mastered that, you may be interested to also learn about doing mobile development with React, in which case you can look at learning about React Native. Or you may also decide to look into doing desktop development, in which case you can use the library Electron, which is also based on React. So if you learn about React, you're going to be in a very good place to not only just develop websites, but also mobile and desktop applications. And React works on the view layer only. In the past, developers would manipulate the HTML elements in the DOM using the popular library called jQuery, which has been around for a good number of years. So this is the old way of doing it because we are directly manipulating the DOM. And now the new way. So the new way, of course, is using React to manipulate the DOM using a virtual DOM. And it does this in a very fast and efficient way. And it's fast and efficient because of this virtual DOM. And it uses this to manipulate the underlying HTML elements in the actual underlying browser DOM. And that's why it's so fast. So who exactly uses React? There are some very large number of companies that are using React for their websites. The most important of which is Facebook, since they actually invented React and actively maintain it. Let's look at a few others of the big companies. We have Netflix, and we have Airbnb. We also have Discord, and another large company is Uber. Now, they are just a very few companies using React, but there are thousands and thousands of others as well. React is a very established technology, supported with a huge community, so it's not going to go anywhere. When React first arrived on the scene, it was used to build single-page apps, completely managed on the client side. But now, the React community has provided a whole host of powerful libraries for React, and let's just have a look at a few of them. We have Next.js, Gatsby, React Router, Styled Components, React Motion, and Create React App, and that's just a few of them. React is a growing technology, gaining ground and popularity very quickly. It is the #1 technology for producing website apps. So you have made a great choice to learn about this exciting web development technology. And now that we have a high-level overview about what React is and what it can offer, let's now learn about one of the fundamental concepts of React, which is component design. And we're going to do that in the next lesson, so I shall see you there.